Do you want to know how you can insert images in Wombo Dream? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can insert images in Wombo Dream. Go ahead and open Dream presented by Wombo Art on your phone. Now click on the plus icon and you can see image over here. Click on image and select a image, or you can select any image given over here. After selecting the image, you can see that you can adjust it from weak, normal to strong. After you give this sample image, go ahead and write down your vision. After you write down a vision, you can see there is a create option. Click create and click the art style too. After clicking art style, click the artwork size and then click create. This way you can enter your image and this image will be taken as a sample. So after this you can start creating your own artwork. Let me show it to you once again, guys. Go to Wombo Dream, click on this plus icon and click on image. Now you can click on select image, select an image you want and then press next. You can see that you have selected an image. You can keep it to strong and then you can describe your prompts such as this. Select the artwork style, select the artwork size and then click create. This way you will create your own artwork. I hope this video about how you can insert images in Wombo Dream was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.